You're not a spring chicken.
Es un niño porque ya no son niños
You don't look like you're in the best of shape. If you're doing that kind of dope, it's going to ravage your body and you'll likely end up dead. Also true that you had an open container in this case as well. Okay, so we've got Rico Romero.
Okay, yo lo voy a traducir todo en español, todo en español, ¿ok? Todo en español, ¿ok? Entonces todo en español.
And then Idelce.
Sí,
Stay. Yes.
yes. Sí, señor.
Order in the court for the pleas.
Both of you gentlemen are charged with driving while intoxicated cases.
Claro, los dos.
Both of you guys have worked out agreements.
Llegaron a un acuerdo con el Estado
Cases will now reflect as convictions on your
y
record.
que pasar en su récord.
Mr. Idelce, you need to understand that this is a
Entender
DWI second offense.
una vez que usted conoce
If you ever get pulled over and you have the faintest smell of alcohol or dope on your breath,
su aliento,
what is going to happen to you?
¿qué va a pasar con usted?
Ya, pues se me va a deportar porque no tengo.
I want to be deported because I don't have papers.
That's one of the things, perhaps, yes.
Eso que le puede pasar, sí.
But first, you're looking at a prison sentence of a minimum of 2 years, a maximum of 10 years.
Pasa por un mínimo de 2 años.
From now on, if you pick up another DWI, you will not be with me. You will end up in felony court.
Estar en felonía ahí arriba.
A
Delito
very
mayor.
lengthy.
Sorry, dígale, perdón, ya.
I want to tell you I'm sorry that I am sorry.
Perdón.
Sorries don't matter to me.
Perdón.
Okay.
What matters is that it doesn't happen again. And I'm just warning you that if it does,
Si vuelve a
you will
hacerlo,
now be in felony court. So if I were you, even if you have a sip of alcohol, I wouldn't get into a car
cuidar con la,
because you're taking a humongous risk.
con la cosa de
The
arriba.
same applies to you, Mr. Rico Romero. You now have this DWI going on your record as well. If you ever get into a car and smell like alcohol or dope, likewise, you will end up going back to jail. He has 2 FSRAs upstairs. What's going on with that?
He's being offered the minimum on those, Your Honors.
5 years? 2 years? Are they second degrees?
No, the charges like the hybrids, 2 to 5. It wasn't
Oh,
serious.
it's a hybrid one.
That's why I feel comfortable doing this. I mean, it's the minimum.
If you're going
Okay, let's pause here because what the judge just said cuts deep. Think about it. This man isn't just facing a DWI charge. He's got 2 prior failures to stop and render aid, meaning people were already hurt in his past incidents. The judge is practically begging him not to destroy more lives. This is where the stakes are life and death. Viewers, be honest. Do you think repeat offenders deserve another chance? Or should the system come down harder? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
to get into a car and maim and destroy other people, please don't. You have a DWI, you've got 2 failure to stop and render aids, where you've created a ton of damage. Don't. How is that fair? All we want are our streets to be safe.
Las calles que están seguras.
Your sentence is 3 days in jail with credit for the 4 days that you've done. You're giving up, both of you guys are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You could be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. Now, you, Mr. Rico Romero, it looks like after these cases, you still have to deal with the felony cases. And then after that, it looks like you also have an immigration detainer as well.
Llama por papeles porque va a ir a la corte superior. Y después de eso va a
How do
enfrentarse
you
a la
plead to
corte
the
de
offense of
inmigración.
driving while intoxicated? Guilty?
¿Cómo se declara borracho? ¿Culpable o no culpable? ¿Culpable o no culpable? Guilty.
Find you guilty. I'm going to suspend your driving privilege for 1 year.
Por un año.
Do not drive. And please, don't kill anyone. Mr. Idelce, you've worked out an agreement. They're offering you 365 days in jail
35 días en la cárcel,
to be probated for 18 months.
18 meses.
As part of the probation, you will do a repeat offender DWI education class.
Van a curso de
You will do two victim impact panels,
una clases.
no drugs, no alcohol,
Acuerdo.
no breath test refusal. So if you are pulled over in a
Cuando lo
car,
paren, que la policía
you must, and an officer asks you to submit to a breath test, you must submit to a breath test. If you don't, you are in violation of this probation.
de la migración de la aprobación, si no,
You must also do 5 days in jail as a condition.
Here's the kicker. The defendant gets 365 days in jail, but most of it is suspended for probation. That means if he stays clean, he avoids serving the full sentence. But notice the fine print. No alcohol, no drugs, mandatory classes, victim, impact panels, and even jail weekends. Probation isn't a free pass. It's a loaded trap door. Miss a single requirement, and boom, you're serving time. Would you be able to walk that tightrope for 18 months, or would you slip?
Of this probation.
eso también.
This is to begin tomorrow.
So,
Yes.
mañana va a empezar a presentarse usted.
Do you want him to
Sí.
hear or report?
¿Dónde se va a reportar?
Okay. By 6 p.m. You must report by 6 p.m.
6 de la tarde.
to the 701 San Jacinto.
5 de la tarde de San Jacinto.
If you fail to,
Sí, 49 esa caseta.
Yeah, correcto, eso sí. Okay.
if you fail, I'm sorry,
I will show it to him where to report.
we give him paperwork too, Mr.
Ahí
No,
le van a dar el
don't
documento
have to.
también.
But I want you to understand that if you are someone who is repeatedly late, they're not going to take you. And if they don't take you, the full range of punishment is available to you.
Si no lo toman ahí de nuevo o algo, va a tener más problemas.
Sí, no, pero yo voy a estar a las 6 ahí.
I'm gonna be there at 6 p.m.
You have to be-
I would be there before,
Yo diría que estuviera
A
before.
la fuera, sí, ok.
4 o'clock. I'll be there.
Ok, ok.
Okay.
How do you plead to the offense of
Te
driving?
declara la ofensa de manera
Offense,
totalmente
guilty
intoxicado,
or
culpable
not
o no
guilty?
culpable. Guilty.
He also has a felony case, Mr. Newell. Is that
Let
legal?
me-
This
una
may
felonía.
be dismissed.
Sí, sí.
Pero la colonía se lo quitaron.
Let me make one thing clear to you.
Eso es algo claro.
How old are you?
¿Qué edad tiene usted, señor?
45 años.
45.
You're not a spring chicken.
Es un niño, porque ya no es un niño. Usted,
Don't look like you're in the best of shape. If you're doing that kind of dope, it's going to ravage your body and you'll likely end up dead.
eso, bueno,
So 45-year-olds can't be using the dope that 18-year-olds do.
usando esa clase de drogas.
Get my drift?
¿Me
Ya,
entiendes?
sí.
We don't want to see you in a pine box.
Pero usted se llama en una cara de-
What about the DPS fines and fees and surcharges, Mr. Newell?
Gracias.
Mr. Idelsa, what do you do for a living?
Bravo usted, señor.
Trabajo medio tiempo a veces de construcción,
Construction,
tengo mi,
half-time.
de construcción y a veces tengo mi esposa que tengo que mantener.
And then I have to take care of my wife.
Ya.
Okay,
Okay?
all right.
De construcción, pero solo no trabajo mucho, medio tiempo.
Just give him a long
Yeah,
hand.
yeah.
$300 por semana.
The six.
Solamente lo que le preguntan, nada más conteste.
Just have them do that. All right. We wish you the best of luck, gentlemen. I am
Uh,
suspending your license for a year.
Did you catch that? The judge just looked this man in the eye and reminded him, you're 45, not 18, and drugs will kill you. This is not just about punishment, it's a brutal reality check. The courtroom is practically turning into an intervention session. And here's the powerful part. He's not just fighting for his freedom, he's fighting for his life. Viewers, what do you think hits harder, the jail time or the harsh truth about where his choices are leading?
Do not drive until you get a license, Mr. Idelsa. And good luck to you, gentlemen. Oh, enhancements, I'm sorry. No more. Sorry. Mr. Idelsa, is it true that you had a prior DWI in 22 in our court?
El 22 es cierto que usted tuvo otro DWI aquí en esta corte.
Sí,
Yes.
Is it true that you also had a .15 or
Sí,
above in
sí,
this
sí.
case?
5 ya tenía, como se llama, de alcohol.
me imagino que sí.
Yes, hay más.
Is it also true that you had an
Cierto.
open container in this case as well?
Se llama un contenedor abierto, como el carro, cuando lo pararon.
Contenedor como
como cerveza o algo.
Had
Oh,
it-
sí, 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 sí.
Yes.
sí.
Yes.
Telling you now, Mr. Ida said that you will be
Yes,
required to pay the DPS fines and fees and surcharges that are now $6,000 to pay. I will give you time to pay it, but if you don't pay it, a warrant will issue. And for every $100 you owe, you will sit 1 day in jail.
Dar tiempo de.
Do you understand?
¿Qué dice usted?
Pero no tengo
We will put you on a payment plan for 2 years and you will be required to pay it.
Dice que le van a dar plan de pago.
I will waive the court costs, but with the DPS fines, you're going to have to pay that.
Se llaman los costos de la corte, pero eso es una multa del Estado, de DPS.
ya.
Ahí le van a dar, ¿cómo se llama? Tiempo para pagar.
Hey, guys, good luck.
Todo, suerte.
CC.
Judge, may we get an order to get the device?
Well,
But you'll have to put on another
Yeah,
one whenever
another
you
set.
leave.
well, no. I mean, he needs a device, though. He can't go without a device. Does he have a Guardian Interlock now or a portable device?
Have the portable one. He came to,
Let me make sure that he has it
he has it.
and that it's operational, Mr. Newey, and then if so, yeah.
He showed it to me now. Where is the machine?
La máquina que tiene.
And it's operational?
Here.
¿Está trabajando?
Sí, está trabajando, ya.
Okay. Yeah. All right.
Are we leaving his probation fees as well? or-
Yeah, because he's paying for the 6,000. Yeah. Okay, all right.
Thank you,
We're
Judge.
gonna waive the probation.
This moment shows the hidden side of the justice system, money and monitoring. The judge waives probation fees because the defendant already owes $6,000 in state fines. On top of that, they're requiring constant drug testing twice a week to prove sobriety. That's exhausting, humiliating, and expensive. So here's the question. Does piling financial burdens on someone already struggling push them toward reform or push them closer to failure? This is where law and reality collide.
Fees because he's doing that other one, which is probably like a. Okay, sure.
It's a time served on a trespass.
I don't know if I'm ready to just let him out. I don't, because I truly think that if I let him out, he's just gonna start using again. And that's what I don't want
This
to
is his
happen.
only time, this is his only mess up while he's out on bond now.
The only way that I would have is to have him come twice a week to test, so I know that he's not using, right?
Right.
And I'm gonna tell you now, it's how long do you think it's gonna take?
Yeah,
The
yeah,
only way that I can really know that if he's not using is to constantly test him.
yeah. And even still back there.
He's gonna do that? You think he's gonna wanna do that, come up here twice a week to try to test?
I don't think he wants to, but I think he will. But I haven't had never had any issues with him showing up. But I mean, so should I just get a trial setting or should we?
Yeah, of course. I mean, yeah, and because it's a jail case, we'll do it as soon as you want.
Okay,
You know, I gotta give them at least 30 days so they can get all their motions and subpoenas out, but you know, we can get you already have a case December 3rd that we set, didn't we?
yeah.
Yeah.
Set on the 3rd? Yeah, set up a trial on the 3rd, you said?
Sure.
Yes.
Gotcha.
I have a trial set that day as well, but.
With us.
I did.
Set you a jail case that day.
Yes.
So I'm saying we could do the same thing.
Okay. Let's do that. Then it's.
Morning, Mr. Smart. Ay. What's going on with you, man?
I'm just tired. I'm supposed to be on medication.
Did they just pick you up?
Yes, sir.
You still coming down or what?
No, I've been here for a couple of months.
Here for a couple of weeks.
No, it's been over.
When did he get when did he
Was
get picked up?
on, it's been since 9/16.
Oh,
You've been in custody here since 9/16?
Yes.
Continuously?
No, I think,
Just trespass.
I know, but
Yeah.
it keeps happening, Mr. Smart, and you keep
Now we meet Mr. Smart, and here's where the cycle of addiction and crime hits hardest. This is his 4th trespassing case, and the judge flat out says, the days of catch and release are over. You can feel the frustration. It's not just about breaking laws, it's about wasting years of his life in and out of custody. This raises a bigger issue. Are we watching criminal justice, or are we watching a broken rehab system? What do you think?
picking up trespasses and you keep coming back here and you don't come back here. This is now our 4th trespass case and you never come back. The days of catch and release are over. Do you understand? And I am now, any more cases that you pick up with me, we will now be working on getting you treatment so that it stops happening. Where are you living?
With friends.
Who's in your life right now?
My sister, my mom.
I've been speaking with his father, but they live up in Fort Worth.
Why aren't you living with them?
Me and my dad don't see eye to eye sometimes.
Can I take a guess why?
I'm not trying to lie. He's
Mr. Smart, you have now, for the past 3 years, have been in and out of custody. And before you know it, 15 years are going to pass and you're going to look like that little Quasimodo dude on the side of the road begging for money because they've got no job, no prospects, but only addiction issues, never willing to take care of it. Toothless. Is that what you want? How long has he been in custody?
Since September.
And here's the finale. The judge orders a psychological evaluation for Mr. Smart, determined to break the cycle before it's too late. This case highlights the brutal crossroads of law, addiction, and accountability. From DWIs to repeated trespasses, the courtroom shows us one thing. Without change, the same mistakes will destroy lives again and again. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
I'm not going to do it. I'm not. I think that we need to have Mr. Smart TRAS to see what the problem is, why it continues to happen, and so it stops. We're working on since 22, early 22, burglary of a building, trespass, assault, trespass. And now I'm not doing this anymore with you, Mr. Smart. I'm not going to do this. So we will have you evaluated. I want you to talk to my clinicians to find out what's going on with your life, to see what we can do to help you out, to get you out of this rut before you kill yourself or worse. No more. Do you understand? We will do it expedited, so it's not going to sit here and languish. So today's Thursday? Hopefully we can get the TRAS done tomorrow.
Okay,
We can come back maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, and figure out what they say, where the proper course of action is.
sure.
Mr. Smart,
Okay,
please be honest to the people that we have you talk to. If I get a report back and it tells me that you're all rainbows and gumdrops and there's no issues, I'm going to send you right back to do it again. Do you understand? Be honest, because we want to help you. That's the only way that we can. Okay? See you on Tuesday or Wednesday. Thanks you.
Judge.